हे गाइस, इस विकी और अभी टाइम कुछ 10:30 हो रहा है और मैं अपने कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ मेरे रिसर्च के वर्क के लिए। मेरा फाइनल ईयर चल रहा है तो मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने एडवाइज़र से मिलने। और अभी देखो यार, धूप बहुत तेज़ है, गर्मी है। अभी मई 25 है आज। और ये मैंने नया बाइक लिया है, PCX, इसका नया वर्जन। तो ये काफ़ी पुराना हो गया था पर काफ़ी हो गया है, तो दूसरा एक और लिया गया है। पर मैं अभी चलता इसी से हूँ। बट ये इसकी बेस्ट पार्ट है कि ये इसमें चाबी नहीं लगता है, ये रिमोट से चालू होता है। तो आज मैं बात करूँगा इंटर्नशिप के बारे में। बने रहना इसमें। अभी मैं ऑफिस में आया था और कोई है नहीं, तो मैं सोचा थोड़ा बात कर लेता हूँ। तो इंटर्नशिप खोजने के लिए फॉर इंडियन स्पेशली इट्स इजी, बट नॉन पेड इंटर्नशिप। आपको उसमें से पैसा नहीं मिलेगा। आपके रोज़ के आने जाने का खर्च, अलाउंस जो है कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा। वो बहुत ईजी मिल जाता है किसी भी सिटीजनशिप को। बट फॉर पेड इंटर्नशिप इट विल बी बिट डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर इंडियन एंड एनी अदर फॉरेनर. But Thai, it will be more easy. It's not so easy for me also. I'm still searching. It's not so easy, but yeah, because English के साथ साथ आपको Thai आनी चाहिए and you have to live nearby the company. Some of the company like to have foreigner student so that they have an international environment in their companies, like English speaking people, different type of people where they can give their own ideas and all. So yeah, और पार्ट टाइम जॉब भी ऐसे ही लाई करते हैं, क्योंकि इंटर्नशिप और पार्ट टाइम में कुछ ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है। पार्ट टाइम के लिए क्या है कि हाँ, इंटर्नशिप में तो क्या फुल टाइम ही जॉब होता है, बट स्टिल देयर आर हाइब्रिड मोड और मे बी 3 days a week, बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव क्लासेस लेफ्ट लाइक मी, I want that type of, I didn't get it till now, but it's not so difficult if you're not searching for a paid internship. But if you're searching for a paid internship, it will be a bit difficult as per your past experience. If you have past experience, that would be very easy for you, but if you don't have, fresh starting is very difficult for everyone, for job also, for part-time job also, and for internship also, because people want experience these days. So your experience for as a student will be working in a student club, student council, as I have, but still it is difficult for me also. I'm saying that, repeating that again and again, but that's true. But still, if anyone from India want to work paid internship, like there are one more type of internship where you can pay and do the internship for, as some people want this, some people do this for experience. I just get to know that they pay money and they do internship. I don't recommend that because it's very expensive. Okay, let's talk about how to find an internship. So first thing is LinkedIn application. LinkedIn is one of the most reliable and trustful. Of course, it is very official thing for like finding job, upgrade yourself, like profile, upgrade your profile to find job, internship और पार्ट टाइम जॉब. सबसे अच्छी बात है कि लिंक्डइन बहुत ट्रस्टफुल होता है और थाईलैंड की कंपनी में it's like they really like if you will apply from LinkedIn. Second option which I will recommend personally, which I have find that many students from India especially they have tried and they really get the job. It's like call to the find the company which is suitable for you, call them and ask for like any part-time job, any job or any internship available in that company so that they can offer you or talk about that more. This thing is like luckily if you are like lucky enough to get a job or maybe they are interested on you, sometimes they don't have any place vacant but it's still the way you communicate to them they really want to. The third option, there are some more website like JobDB and Dekfitna and some local job or directly online you can search for the job. There will be some website open and you can apply from that. हाँ अब ये काम मत करना कि कोई जॉब के लिए पैसा मांग रहा है पैसा दे रहा हो. That's not something job like that. That's not something official or not seems like a organization will need money from you to hire you. So ये सब चीज़ में मत फंस जाना. बहुत स्कैम होते हैं थाईलैंड में हर चीज़ के लिए, तो you have to remember that. And in the last I will say that internship हुआ non paid तो मिल जाएगा if only for experience. Paid internship is a bit difficult, but if you are applying on the right place, if you are in the right place, if you have good enough of experience in your college life or before that or part-time job you have did, it's easy for you to get. Believe me, maybe they will pay for you or not too much maybe, but at least 5 to 6,000 baht. Not so easy, but I will say that there are many students who have did this before, especially international. तो मिल जाता है बट थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. तो ये बहुत सवाल था जो कि लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा, तो आई होप मैं क्लियर कर दिया हूँ. और नहीं क्लियर किया हूँ तो आप कुछ और मेंशन करो, मैं ज़रूर वीडियो बनाता हूँ एक आध हफ्ते में. For sure, I'm very ready to give this type of thing because now I am on this type of path like finding job, internship, and I'm last year student and I'm also trying to or maybe think to do MBA. Now it might be very easy for me to gather information and I can help. Yeah, so